Okay, so here's the second one. We did the mech earlier, which is over here, striking a pose. This one is Batman with the Batmobile vs Harley Quinn and Mr. Freeze, set number 76274. Very cool. I love this. This is from the cartoon series, so it's quite cool. The blue Batmobile. This is only got 435 pieces, ages 8+. We have an information sheet, or I don't know if it's a print or whether it's a sticker, probably a sticker. We can shoot stuff from it. We can open up the cockpit, and we got flames coming out the back. Which, as you go along, I think they spin. So if you push the car, it spins. So yeah, that's the set I'm going to build now. Not out in the States yet, but it is here in Europe. So yeah, there's the features and the 3 minifigs, which are really cool. I really like them. So without further ado, I will read the description, and it says, gear up for adventure as Batman chases Harley Quinn, and Mr. Freeze in this Batmobile from Batman. Oh God, that's a mouthful. The animated series. Attach the stud launchers to the hood, open the cockpit and put Batman at the control panel, then race into crime-fighting action when the day's adventures are over. Park your Batmobile on its rotatable display stand, so everyone can admire its awesome superhero style. Cool, so it can, you've got a rotatable stand. Nice, I like it. Okay, so didn't know that. That's new for me. Let's open up the box and see what we have inside. It's quite a big box for sort of small count of parts, but we will see. It's not that big a set, so I don't understand why it's such a big box. Maybe it's just because it's Batman. Who knows? Okay, this is not working as expected again. God, I wish they go back to tape. Okay, there we go. So, we got paper bags. Yay, good job. Looking for stickers just in case. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 4 bags. Okay, that's cool. 4 bags in total. 1 sticker set. Yeah, the information is a sticker set. Is a sticker, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 interior. I think maybe. Oh no, one's headlights. Yeah. So there we go. There's a sticker set. Very cool. And manual. Has it got any information in it? Probably not. No, no info. Okay, so put that to one side. I will use 3D software. Put those on the floor and open up bag 1. Let's see what we've got. Okay. Make sure there's no parts in there because they got stuck in the paper. And there we go, done. GG's. Nice recyclable paper. Recyclable. Alright, so the sticker set can go there. And parts all in here ready. So I will now stop the video and then start the speed build. Cool. See you in a minute. Then, so finished. Love it, love it. Not going to give it full marks though, because there's a few things. The stand sucks. It's horrible. It's like you'd need to put grippy feet or something on the bottom of it. Maybe even make it a little bit higher with a brick or something. And it's a bit of a pain to get on. Also, Batman inside the cockpit here. Take this off. Oh, but it's a very tight squeeze. I don't know if you can see that. And he's a bit of a pain to get in and out, which I think is a bit of a shame, but whatever. He's in. He can go in. He can sit. But I'll probably have him on stand anyway. So, Mr. Freeze is very cool. I like Mr. Freeze. What a great villain. He's got a print on the back, on the torso. No printing on the legs. Purple hands I like. And he's got his little gun, which of course fires. There we go. I'll go over the car again in a minute. But yeah, he has to bend backwards to stand up. Harley Quinn, love this Harley Quinn. I love the hammer. The hammer's awesome. And the print on her with the red and the black legs, and the print on the legs of the diamonds from the Joker cards. Sorry, from the cards. Really, really cool. And she's got two faces as well. So she has the smiley face and she has the kind of grimacing smiley attempt. But I love this minifig. It's so cool. I think Harley Quinn makes the films, the movies, so good, because she's an absolute nutcase. Oh, I love nutcases. So Mr. Freeze, Batman, and Harley Quinn, very cool. Information on the plaque. There you go. If you want to freeze it, I can read it off. Okay, so Batman, the animated series, Batmobile, 21.2 feet, length, width, 8'2", 8'02", acceleration 0 to 60 miles an hour in 3.9 seconds, nearly as fast as my motorbike. Maximum speed 310 miles an hour with jet booster. Fuel, diesel. How boring is that? Engine, turbo, diesel, V8, and jet turbine. So yeah, a little bit of information there. The car itself, I do like the spinny wheels. The wheels go round and the flame kind of spins as well. That's quite cool. Nice little play feature. We have guns, of course. Probably lose these now. Oh, that didn't come out. GG's. There we go. Okay, so yeah, we can reload those up. You get spares as well. So nice little play feature for the kids. The way this went together was really cool. I really enjoyed it. Seeing it shape up. Cockpit opens up, and inside, I'll do some pictures. Inside you've got the cockpit and the steering wheel, which is kind of like two handles rather than the steering wheel itself. You've got your rear lights, which is red studs basically. And then on the front, I think the front is so cool. They've done that really spot on at the front. You've got the yellow headlight slits, and the curvature of this whole car is so cool. Really, really nice. I like the fact that the vents in the side are there for cooling. Yeah, the detail for something this scale, I think, is very, very good. I won't be zooming it along, but playability, pretty good actually. This is solid. The car is very, very solid. But like I say, getting it on this stand is a pain because it's on a black plate. Ugh. Okay, that wasn't so much of a pain, but it doesn't spin very free, so I'm not that impressed with that, to be honest. But yeah, better than the Mech, 10 times better than the Mech. I love the squidgy cape. It's like a rubber cape on Batman. It's really cool. I think they've used those before, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, and Harley Quinn. I think Harley Quinn's my favourite minifigure out of these. Perfect. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you could. I'm trying to get to 2,000. And have a good day. See you in the next one.